That's fine. That's fine. Yes, we are done.
My name's Comrade Thompson Valentine Ehigwese, Ward Chairman, Eastern Northeast Local Government, Labour Party, Ward 3.
Why are you here?
I'm here to pay solidarity visit to our national chairman. We heard that there are some persons that are personating that they are the Ward Chairman and Ward Executive of Ward 3, which is not true. I am the chairman of Eastern Northeast Local Government, Ward 3, precisely in Labour Party. And this is my secretary. This is my leader in my ward. So we are here to disregard that information that is not correct.
Is it the same word? Is it the same word? What's the name of the word?
Ward 3, Reaffirming, where the national chairman came from. I am his ward chairman. The persons that have been, they said that suspend the chairman, they are not even from this party. I don't know them. Their names are not known to me. We are from Eastern Northeast Local Government. They are not even from Eastern. They are not from Ward 3. I am the chairman of Ward 3. So I'm surprised to hear that one from them. So our chairman, we did not suspend him. He still remains our national chairman, and we pass vote of confidence on him. What we are going to do, we will take the matter up. We are going to sue them. We will take a major action against them. That is impersonation, and they will be arrested. My name is Comrade Thompson Valentine Ehigwese, Chairman Ward 3, Eastern Northeast Local Government.
All right, sir.
I'm Honorable Patrick Obey, the AGA Chairman, Eastern Northeast Labour Party, Uromi, Edo State. I am here to pay a solidarity visit with some of my co-AGA chairmen in the Edo Senatorial District to our national chairman, Comrade Julius Abure.
Are you not talking about his recent suspension? What do you have to say about that?
About the recent suspension, I would describe it as a rumor and as a rift. The reason behind it is that he is our national chairman. At the local government, we have not suspended him. At the ward level, we have not suspended him. At the Edo Senatorial level, Eastern Senatorial level, we have not suspended him. He has been very, very good to us. He has been working assiduously to make sure the party move forward. And I believe those that have claimed to be member of the party that are suspended him, which of course I don't know their names, I don't know them facially, they are carrying a black rumor, which is a negative aspect to our party.
Well, I am Comrade Obalo KSC, Chairman Labour Party Edo State. First, I'm here to solidarize with my chairman, who has been very astute, who has been the man who has taken this party to the level we are. And therefore, it is nonsensical completely when a ragtag few boys assemble themselves around the corners of Abuja and make the pronouncement they made. These ones are not part of our party. They are not at the local government. They are not at the ward. They are not at the state level. So I'm here basically to debunk and put to nothingness, in fact, that pronouncement. Because those who did it don't even understand the message they were asked to deliver. Now, in the constitution of Labour Party, no state, no ward, no local government has the right whatsoever to assemble anywhere to suspend a national chairman who is a product of a national convention. It may be possible in other political parties, but in Labour Party, it is not so. So whatever they have done today, or wherever they did it, it is nothing to go home, to do anything about. We are saying that our national chairman remain the chairman of Labour Party, and we have since and again now passed a total vote of confidence on him. He shall take this party forward. No reasonable human being with complete intelligence, with the consciousness of how to drive a society will today come around and begin to talk about the suspension of a chairman who had delivered ultimately on the election that we just have concluded. Edo State is the obedient state. In fact, we won both the national and presidential election. Edo State is number one. So I do not know where that is coming from, where any one person we consider at this time the removal or suspension of a national chairman. More so when we are in a contest that some persons have gone to court and is currently prosecuting that. So if you remove him now, who prosecutes all other matters that are already in the court? So it is not a well thought out thing, but I'm aware that very selfishly disgruntled individuals are doing this, especially from the opposition, who seek our support to join them like they used to think about in the past. But today we said no. Labour Party has remained independent and must drive its processes independently. And so because of this, they felt that going the way they have done is the way they can bring this party to disrepute. But I can tell you that they have failed woefully and that we are moving forward with our national chairman, especially as that they do not have the power in the constitution to do what they did. And so it's a total nullity. And I ask the world, I ask Nigeria to disregard that, as these ones are nobody as far as Labour Party is concerned.
Let me use this opportunity once more to appreciate my ward chairman, Ward 3 chairman, my state chairman, and the FCT executives, including the support groups and other friends and well-wishers who are here today on this solidarity visit. When I saw the press conference, at first I felt there was no need to respond to it. I saw it as worthless and would have amounted to nothing. Those faces are faces I have never seen in my words. Go and check the records. In the past election, in the presidential election, in the House of Assembly election, I have won all my election at the ward level. In that ward, that was where I grew up. And I practically know everybody in that ward. Those faces I saw on the television that day, I can tell you categorically, are not members of that ward. They are not members of that local government. The names that were even paraded were fake names.
Oh, yes.
And you know the obedient movement is a powerful movement. Our people, members have since put the true names of those people to their faces. We already know them. We already know their faces. We already have their phone numbers. And we have petitioned them to the Commissioner of Police. And I'm sure that the Commissioner of Police will act accordingly and bring them to book. Those people are unknown to us. And I foresee that they are being sent and sponsored by opposition political parties. And I don't want to mention the names of those parties here, who are afraid of the fortune, of the strength of the Labour Party. The Labour Party have become a very big movement and one family. Yes. That it will be difficult for any person to infiltrate. Yes. And I want to use this as an opportunity to tell them that they should have thought of a more decent way of doing it. But for this one, it's dead on arrival. Oh, yeah. And I can assure you of that. Like you have seen, my ward chairman is here. The ward register is here. None of those names is in the ward register. Those names are not even ASAN names. They are unknown to us. So I want to appreciate all of them. My ward chairman, my local government chairman, and all other local government chairmen that are here in solidarity. I want to appreciate FCT executives
I want to say that your solidarity messages today, the kind words that you have showered on me, has further re-energized me to work for this party. The truth of the matter is that I took the party from nothing to something without sounding immodest. Yes. By this time, 2 years ago, Labour Party was not a party of reference. And it will shock you to note that I am just 2 years in office. And just 2 years on assumption of office, I've taken the party from nothing to something. Yes. And I want to assure you that this is just the beginning. Yes. The party has come to stay. We'll continue to work for the party. We'll continue to move on. We are challenging the outcome of the presidential election and indeed all other elections. Yes, sir. Not even this distraction will distract us from pursuing it. It's a mandate that has been freely given to our people, to our party, and we shall not rest in our oars till we defend that mandate. If that is the reason why they are planning all of this, they should think of a better way. I thank you, gentlemen of the press. Members of the press have been very wonderful. During the election, before the election, and even after the election, you have been so wonderful, and I'm very proud of you. I want to assure you of my continued support. I assure you of our continued working relationship, and I want to assure you that we'll continue to do our best, and we have the best for the Nigerian people. Thank you, and God bless you.
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.